In this video, we're gonna look at how you can log into your Coinbase account. Coinbase is a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. They also have a crypto wallet where you can store cryptos which you have purchased. Now to get started, open up a browser of your choice, then in the search bar, type in coinbase.com. As soon as you do that, you can see an interface similar to this. To log into your account, click on the sign in button located on the top right corner. Next, you'll need to enter your email address that you have used while creating your Coinbase account. Make sure you enter the correct email address, otherwise you won't be able to log into your account. Now hit continue. If your email address was correct, it must show up like this. Next, type in your password. If you want to confirm your password, you can click on the eye icon to reveal it. But if you have forgotten the password to your account, you can click on the forget password button and follow the simple steps to recover your password. After you fill in the information, then click on continue. After that, a 7-digit verification code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to enter the code to be able to log into your account. And just like that, you have logged into your Coinbase account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with more videos such like this.